welcome. My name is Jocelyn.
My name is Alex.
This is my husband, Alex. That works too. Alex has no idea what we're filming today. This is kind of a surprise.
I kind of know.
Do you know?
I think I know what it is at this point.
I think, yeah, probably.
Probably my Stitch Fix.
Yeah,
Ooh!
It wasn't supposed to come until like another 2 days.
Really?
But here it is.
Okay. Got some weight to it.
It's smaller though. I think the box is smaller.
Probably no big denim jacket because we're moving into springtime here.
Yeah. So, you already know by the title. Now he knows. This is Alex's Stitch Fix unboxing. This is his second one. We did unbox one on my channel last month. We also have the female version of Stitch Fix unboxings that I have done for myself. There are 2 of those up on my channel right now. So if you'd like to see what I get in Stitch Fix, you are welcome to. I will put a timestamp on the screen to jump to if all you're here for is to see what Alex got in his Stitch Fix box. I will give a little bit of an explanation as to what Stitch Fix is in case you are new or you just want a refresher or you just want some information. So, Stitch Fix is a $20 a month subscription service. It is a styling subscription service. You pay $20 a month to Stitch Fix, and then a stylist on that end, Stitch Fix's end, puts together, curates a 5-piece box for you to go through. These are pieces, clothing pieces, fashion pieces they have put together based on a style profile you put together. The style profile includes all kind of information that you put in, so your measurements, your preferences, items that you never want to see in your box, items that you prefer to see in your box, all kinds of stuff. Also, you are able to link a Pinterest board if you have a Pinterest board that is fashion related, all kinds of things. It's really cool. Also, if you would like to try Stitch Fix, if you are interested by the end of the video in trying it for yourself or getting it for a loved one to try, you can use Alex's code for $25 off your first Stitch Fix. It kind of makes your first box risk-free because you usually would have to pay $20 for a styling fee, but instead of paying that $20, the referral link pays for your styling fee. Also, the $20 that you pay a month gets applied to anything in your box that you decide to keep. If you choose to keep everything, then you do get a, I think, 25% discount, which is pretty great. I have done that with both of my 2 boxes.
I almost did on my first box, but there were a couple things I didn't like, a couple things I did, and I could go without. I only ended up keeping the pants.
How do you feel about the pants?
They're like my favorite pants ever. So, although I only kept 1 item out of my first box, I'm still really excited to try again, have a second box, and see what they came up with for me.
Yeah, and everything that you sent back last time, you were able to give the stylist some comments, some feedback, why you're sending those items back, that kind of thing, right?
Yeah, it's very personalized, so I'm excited to dive into this one and see what happens. So right here we have the return envelope. They make it very easy to return the stuff that you don't want to keep. You just fold it up.
Or exchange something for a different size. I did that in my last box and it was super easy.
Yeah, you just put what you don't want in the bag, seal it up, drop it in the mailbox.
This pamphlet right here is a style guide as well as the pricing guide. So we'll look at this after we've opened everything and then find out how much everything is.
Okay, so as per last time, I'm gonna open it. Jocelyn can go ahead and take a peek, but I'm keeping my eyes out of there.
Okay.
So I'm gonna grab something. This appears to be just a t-shirt.
That's a
very nice
lightweight t-shirt. Threads for Thoughts. I feel like I've heard of this brand before.
I really like the heathered gray with all the white speckles throughout. It's even got some texture to it.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Okay, right off the bat.
It's a nice standard solid shirt.
Yep.
Definitely, yeah. Okay, cool.
Diving in again.
How does that one feel?
Feels really soft.
It looks really soft.
I caught a glimpse of it with my eye.
Ooh.
So this is a flannel. Oh my goodness, it's blue and green. My 2 favorite colors, but they're like really soft colors. Wow.
Ooh, this looks really nice.
This looks nice. I'm happy with this. It is like a little out of season. It's getting really hot here. I don't know when I'm gonna wear a long sleeve flannel next.
Oh, interesting.
Diving in again. Whoa. Saw it on the camera before I saw it with my face. Oh, it's a North Face shirt. Never stop exploring.
It's a workout shirt.
Yeah.
Like you could go hiking in it.
Mm-hmm.
You wouldn't get lost.
True. Okay, it's a bright color. It's got some graphic on the back here.
All right.
Okay.
Ooh.
I feeling. Oh,
I like those. I know that they're very light.
Oh boy, here we go. Okay, we got some shorts.
I feel like those would look really good on you. Wow, these are really soft.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. These would be like really nice for like a family function.
Yeah, some dress shorts. Okay.
And then
more denim.
More denim. Oh, another $68 pair of pants, I assume.
I bet. Okay. Wow, these look really nice.
These look really nice.
Have a really nice wash to them. I really like that. I hope they have the right cut on them. Hope they're slim.
That was the problem with
yeah,
the last.
I got another pair and they were like boot cut and I just do not do that. Okay, well, initial thoughts after my 5 items are out of the box and I've looked at them, felt them. Pretty happy.
Okay.
The only thing I would say is these clothes are definitely for colder weather and currently
some of them,
it's
I feel like
May
half,
1st.
Half and half.
Yeah, right. It is half and half. So it's May 1st. It's definitely getting warm here in the Rogue Valley. But if I really do like everything enough, you get that discount when you keep everything.
All right.
Let's look at the pricing.
See how much they are and then we will try on, well, not we, I won't be trying anything on it. Alex will try everything on and then he'll decide what he wants to keep. So first and foremost, actually, let's talk about this pamphlet right here. So this has all of the pieces that he was just sent in his box that he just opened and how to style them all. And then you have, so you do have the same stylist. So last time he had Haley as a stylist and he has Haley again as a stylist.
I just read the little note here from my stylist, Haley, and she talked about my last box and says she hopes she made the right recommendations and, you know, they give you little notes on what to pair with what. It is really personalized and I definitely like that. Let's get into the numbers.
Okay.
Let's play the guessing game. Give me an item.
The North Face shirt is the first one on here.
I'm gonna say that this is a $24 shirt.
Ooh, you're close, but it's a little bit more.
How much is it?
28.
Okay. This is probably the thing I'm the least excited about.
Because it's so bright.
Yeah, it's definitely not a color I would typically wear, but it could have its uses, you know?
It would look good on you on hike.
It might be one of those things where if it's the only item I don't keep,
you'll keep it anyway.
You'll keep it anyway because it's cheaper sometimes. If there's one item you don't like, it's usually cheaper to do the whole box. Next item, please.
All right, the Threads for Thought, the other t-shirt. Go ahead and take a guess.
$32.
Nope.
Wow. 27?
Nope. Close.
How much?
28, same price.
Dang it.
Both t-shirts are $28.
Okay, well, I really like this. I would wear this shirt often.
It's a nice color. All right, the flannel shirt.
$35.
No.
How much?
48.
Oh, ouch! That's a bit much for a flannel. I hope the fit is good. I hope it's not too big.
Yeah, you'll have to try on the shirt first, and then you can just put the flannel over it.
Yeah. Shorts.
Oh, the shorts are last, but we can get them next, I guess.
$40.
Oh, you're close.
$42.
45.
Dang it.
That's the thing about Stitch Fix, is it's good, solid brands.
Yeah.
And the jeans.
Oh, great.
Go ahead, throw a guess out there.
65?
Nope.
Oh no. 88?
No.
That's how much my last pair were.
Oh, they were 88.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
These are 68.
Okay. What an improvement.
What an improvement. All right, so we have all of our prices. The jeans are the most expensive as they were in the last box, I think.
Yes.
And then the shirts were the least expensive, followed by the shorts and then the flannel t-shirt. The total cost of all of the pieces in the box is $217. If he chose to buy all of them, he would get $54.25 off, which puts his total at $162.75. Someone did sign up using your code, so you got $25 off of that, so we would pay $137.75 if you chose to keep everything. But if you chose to only keep one thing, the $25 that we got from someone using your code would be applied towards that one thing.
Let's
try them on. All right, initial thoughts.
Here we are in the graphic tee. That's not actually the graphic tee. And the jeans. So these jeans, they're a little stiff, but they definitely have the elastic in them. So that's nice. Like I can bend all the way down here. And that's fine. I really like the wash. They're a good length. The shirt's very comfortable, very soft.
Looks nice. I like that flannel.
Like this flannel.
Ooh, it even looks good with that undershirt on.
Oh yeah, they definitely. Okay, it's got a nice kind of long taper. Even like buttoned all the way up, it looks nice.
It does look nice.
Okay, I'm really into this.
Good. Okay, so 3 so far out of
3 out of 5.
Our 2 maybe least favorite upon initial glance.
So I'm gonna put this on as an outfit and see what it looks like.
Oh, you're gonna look like such a prep.
Whoa! So these shorts are super comfortable, very comf. I don't have a pair of light shorts, and I like that they're not cargos because that's all they have at the moment. They're kind of like tweed looking, which is cool.
They're lightweight. They look breathable.
Oh, very much so. And like I said, this is just a nice standard
workout
exercise flowy work shirt. Just throw it on whenever. It's a color I don't typically wear, but Jocelyn seems to think it looks nice.
I think it looks nice.
So I really like it. Let me try the other shirt on though. Now this is nice. This looks really good together.
This does look really good together.
I would wear this. This would be an outfit I'd wear. Get my flip-flops on, my cool guy hats and shades. Go to the beach.
We don't live near a beach.
Go to the river.
All right.
Wow. Looks like I'll be keeping everything.
We haven't wrapped the video up yet, but I do agree I like everything on you.
This was a very good box. Wow, this is so nice.
Do you want to sit down and officially wrap this video up?
Let's do that. All right, so I'm still in one of the shirts from my Stitch Fix box. That's how much I like it.
This was a very successful box.
Really good box for me. So I mean, I'm definitely not gonna be wearing the jeans anytime soon. I might have time to wear that flannel on a cool spring night.
Yeah, it does get really cold here in the evening.
The shirt I can wear all the time. These shorts I'm gonna be wearing all summer.
Definitely some pieces a bit outside of your comfort zone, which is really cool. I love that about Stitch Fix.
That's definitely why I'm doing that. I feel like I've just been wearing the same clothes for the last 3-4 years of my life. I saw Jocelyn's box and I was like, wow, that's really cool. Like, I'll try it. And I got a good pair of jeans the first time. And everything was almost on point with my first box. They were just, you know,
little tweaks.
I'm really picky. But Haley, you nailed it.
Yeah, let's go on. I think this might be a 5 out of 5 box.
This is a 5 out of 5 box for me. I will be keeping all 5 items.
So, if you or a loved one would like to try Stitch Fix, I will put Alex's referral link down below. You're welcome to use it. You don't have to, but it will save you $25 off of your first box.
Who doesn't love that?
So, and he gets $25 to continue his subscription service, which is also very cool. Thank you so much to the one person who used his code to sign up. That's really awesome.
Appreciate it.
Grateful for that. And if, again, you'd like to sign up, the referral link will be down below.
Basically, if you sign up with this link, it's risk-free. You could sign up with the link, get your $25, which is more than the $20 styling fee. And if you get a box and you don't like anything, you could send it all back and
you didn't lose any money.
You didn't lose any money.
Your biggest risk is finding some clothes that you love and having to buy them.
That really, I mean, yeah.
And is that really a risk?
You tell me.
All
So,
right.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you guys liked this video today, make sure you give it a like. It really helps out my lovely lady. Go ahead and subscribe.
All of the buttons are down below. I think that's everything we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Do you want to sit down and officially wrap this video up?
What?
You just look so like watching it through the camera.
Let's do that.
Oh, jeez. You did not just dab.
I should have done it over you.